Hey everybody, welcome back to Frank's Homestead. I'm going to do a review on the AZUNO Moisture meter. So with that being said, let's get right to it. First of all, the packaging is real basic. Nothing too fancy about it, which is fine with me. I didn't order it for the box. Open it up. Comes in a little bag. Pull it out. That's what it looks like. Also comes with instructions, which are really easy to use, easy to follow, real simple. Now let me show you some of the functions of the moisture meter and how to use it. When you get the moisture meter, open up the battery compartment on the back, and it does come with two AAA batteries. After reading the instructions, it's pretty easy to operate. You'll see on here that this button here is a Celsius or Fahrenheit, so depending on what temperature gauge you like to use, you can switch it in between. And it's got a hold button, so after you do your moisture test, you can push that button and it'll stay on your display screen. This arrow button here will toggle between your different wood species. The mode button has two functions. One turns the power on and off, but it also changes between the two different modes. And I don't know if you can see, it changes between whether you want to test wood or the building. This moisture meter also comes with a test aid, which is built into the cap. All you do is simply pull it off. There's two holes on the top there, and the two prongs will go in there to make sure that the unit is working properly. So on your display, you're going to see a couple other things. One is this line up here with different percentages. When you test your wood, it's going to measure on there. Right below is the temperature. That's the current temperature it is outside. And then down here, you've got a letter. That letter corresponds with the different wood species that you're testing. So this AZUNO Moisture meter is really easy to use. Basically, just turn it on, pop the cap off, take your protective covers off your prongs, test the unit by using the test cap, change your temperature to either Fahrenheit or Celsius. I prefer Fahrenheit. Push the mode button down here to change between wood and building materials that you're testing. And I'm going to be testing wood. I'll push it. Once you do that, you'll see a letter value down here. In this case, it's A. Look at the back of your instructions. Find the type of wood that you're testing. In which case I'm going to be testing yellow pine. So look over here, and it's a letter value of A. Make sure it's on the letter value of the wood species. And simply touch the prongs to the wood. Check the moisture content. Simply push the hold button if you need to hold that value, and just push the hold button again to go on to the next measurement. When you're done, hold the mode button for 3 seconds and it'll turn off, and then replace your cap. Well, hopefully you found this review useful and informative, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.